Hello everyone, we are studying cell in detail and this is the part 4. So let's start. Nucleus. Nucleus as a cell organelle was first described by Robert Brown in 1831. The material of the nucleus stained by the basic dyes was given the name chromatin by Fleming. It is the largest cell organelle having double membrane and carry all the genetic information. The interphase nucleus of a cell when it is not dividing, has highly extended and elaborate nucleoprotein fibers called chromatin, nuclear matrix, and one or more spherical bodies called nucleoli. The nuclear envelope, which consists of two parallel membranes with a space between 10 to 50 nanometer called the perinuclear space, forms a barrier between the materials present inside the nucleus and that of cytoplasm. The outer membrane usually remains continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum and also bears ribosomes on it. At a number of places, the nuclear envelope is interrupted by minute pores, which are formed by the fusion of its two membranes. These nuclear pores are the passages through which movement of RNA and protein molecules takes place in both directions between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Normally, there is only one nucleus per cell, but some organisms are binucleate. Example, paramecium, and some are multinucleate. Example, some fungi and algae. Some mature cells even lack nucleus. Example, erythrocytes of many mammals and sieve tube cells of vascular plants. Most important. The nuclear matrix or the nucleoplasm contains nucleolus and chromatin. The nucleoli are spherical structures present in the nucleoplasm. The content of nucleolus is continuous with the rest of the nucleoplasm as it is not a membrane-bound structure. It is a site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis. Larger and more numerous nucleoli are present in cells actively carrying out protein synthesis. The interphase nucleus has a loose and indistinct network of nucleoprotein fibers called chromatin. But during different stages of cell division, cells show structure chromosomes. Chromatin contains DNA, some basic proteins called histones, and some non-histone proteins and also RNA. A single human cell has approximately 2-meter long thread of DNA distributed among its 46 chromosomes. Every chromosome essentially has a primary construction or the centromere, on the sides of which disc-shaped structure called kinetochores are present. Centromere hold two chromatids of a chromosome. Depending upon the position of centromere, chromosomes are of four types. Number 1, telocentric. Centromere terminal in the area of telomere. Number 2, acrocentric. Centromere is situated inner to telomere. Number 3, submetacentric. Centromere occurs slightly away from the middle of the chromosome. Number 4, metacentric. Centromere present in the middle of the chromosome. And there, this is the picture of telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric and metacentric. Sometimes a few chromosomes have non-staining secondary construction at a constant location. This gives the appearance of a small fragment called satellite. Chromatin is differentiated into two regions, euchromatin and heterochromatin. Heterochromatin is genetically inactive, darkly stained and highly condensed region of chromosomes with tightly packed DNA. Euchromatin is genetically active, lightly stained, and rich in loosely packed DNA. Transcription occurs in euchromatin. Now We solve the question related to cell. Question 1. Unicellular microscopic organisms were first studied by answer Leeuwenhoek. Question number 2. The most likely method used to determine the structural details of a cell organelle is answer electron microscopy. Question number 3. The figures of cork cells are seen by Robert Hooke were published in the book answer Micrographia. Question 4. Cell theory was formulated by answer Sladen and Swan. Question number 5. Omnis cellula acellula, that is, new cells arise from pre-existing cells. This statement was given by answer Rudolf Virchow. Question number 6. Match column 1 and column 2. Leeuwenhoek first saw and described a living cell. Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. Sladen, all plants are composed of different kinds of cells. Swan, presence of cell wall is unique to plant cells. Option A is correct. Question number 7. Who proposed a modification in the cell theory? Answer Rudolf Virchow. Question number 8. Tarun observed a slide of white blood cells under microscope. His teacher asked him to draw the diagram. Select the diagram which should be drawn by Tarun. Option B is correct. Question number 9. What is true about genetic material of a prokaryotic cell? Option D is correct. Lac stones, not enveloped by nuclear membrane, composed of a single circular DNA molecule. All are correct. Question number 10. These are self-replicating extrachromosomal segments of double-stranded circular and naked DNA present in a bacterial cell. Answer plasmids. Question number 11. Prokaryotic cells are generally dash and multiply dash than the eukaryotic cell. Answer smaller and faster. Prokaryotic cells are generally smaller and multiply faster than the eukaryotic cell. Question number 12. X is a structure found in prokaryotes that is concerned with storage of reserve food materials like cyanophycean granules. X could be answer inclusion body. Question number 13. Longest portion of bacterial flagella is answer filament. 14. Glycocalyx mucilage sheath of a bacterial cell may occur in the form of loose sheath called dash or it may be thick and tough called dash. Answer slime layer and capsule. Glycocalyx mucilage sheath of a bacterial cell may occur in the form of a loose sheath called slime layer or it may be thick and tough called capsule. Question number 15. Correct sequence of layers of bacterial cell envelope from outward to inward is option C is correct. Glycocalyx to cell wall to cell membrane. Question number 16. Mesosomes are the infoldings of cell membrane which answer B, second and third, help in cell wall formation, DNA replication and respiration. And third, increase the surface area of plasma membrane. Question number 17. Which of the following is enveloped by a nuclear membrane? Answer, none of these. Question number 18. If you remove the fimbriae from the bacterial cell, which of the following would you expect to happen? Answer, the bacteria would not adhere to the host tissue. Question number 19. The type of ribosomes found in prokaryotes is 70S type. Question number 20. Which of these is not correct regarding ribosomes? Answer: absent in chloroplast and mitochondria. Question number 21. Polyribosomes are aggregation of. Answer: several ribosomes held together by a string of mRNA. Question number 22. Plant cells differ from animal cells in having. Answer: all of the cell wall, plastids, a large central vacuole. Question number 23. Identify the parts labeled as A, B, C, and D in the given ultrastructure of a plant cell and select the correct option. A. Plasma membrane. B. Chloroplast. C. Mitochondria. And D. Golgi complex. Question number 24. Given is the ultrastructure of an animal cell. Identify the parts marked as A, B, C, and D. Answer: A. Plasma membrane. B. Nucleus. C. Mitochondria. And D. Golgi complex. Question number 25. According to unit membrane structure, the thickness of plasma membrane is about. Answer: 75 angstrom.